In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a SWIFT code for your Wells Fargo account. Whether you're planning to receive an international wire transfer or just curious about this piece of banking information, it's simpler than you might think. Let's walk through the process together step by step, so you can easily locate the SWIFT code when you need it. First, you'll want to start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your phone. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need these credentials to sign in. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the home screen. Here, you should see a menu option, sometimes represented by a three-line icon or simply labeled as More. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, from the list of options, look for something that says Account Services or Account Information. Different versions of the app might have slightly varied names, but it typically relates to managing your account. Tap on that choice to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll see a list of your accounts. You'll need to select the account for which you want the SWIFT code. If you're looking for the code for a checking account, tap on it. For a savings account, select that one instead. With your account selected, the next thing you'll want to do is tap on View Account Details. This is where you'll find more specific information about the account you've chosen. Once you're in the account details section, it's time to scroll. Keep scrolling through the information presented to you. As you scroll down, you should arrive at a section labeled Wire Transfer Details or International Transfers. Right within that section, you'll find the SWIFT BIC code listed. This is the code you're looking for, and it's essential for any international transaction involving your account. But what if you don't have access to the app or prefer using a computer? You can still find the SWIFT code by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Specifically, you can go to wellsfargo.com/help/international wire transfers. On this page, you'll have access to SWIFT codes organized by the region or type of transfer, which is incredibly helpful if you need details for a specific international region. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to finding your Wells Fargo SWIFT code, right from the comfort of your phone or computer. Remember, having your SWIFT code at hand can make international banking transactions smoother and faster. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.